Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can actually play full screen on Roblox without any borders, so that your whole screen is in full screen mode. Now the first step is to open up the Roblox player and head down into a experience, as you can see right here. Now what you want to do is, there are two options. First you can press escape to open up the settings and go down to the settings. Now from here you scroll down till you find the full screen mode. Now if I turn this on, as you can see my screen goes to full screen mode, but sometimes you still have a border left in the top of your screen. Now what you want to do is you want to locate your keyboard, press Shift F11 simultaneously, this exit out my full screen mode, and from there I can press Shift F11 again to run into full screen mode. Now this is a option given by Windows, and it's very easy to actually hop into full screen mode without going into the settings. Now it's a very easy tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.